Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic and kind of like modern leaf blower that this brand sent to me for this video, which I've been trying, and this thing just is so lightweight, yet so powerful. I was kind of like blown away for how powerful it is. And it has a different mode. So this one is gonna be, again, this is the actual design. It looks really good, by the way. I don't know if that's important, but it looks really good. It has a nice holder right here, but it's about like less than 5 pounds. It is crazy how lightweight this one is. And you can just maneuver like you want it. But also, check this out. This one, you can make it to be shorter in case that you're kind of like drying your car, for example. But if not, for like leaf blowing, you can just do this one and it's gonna be better just for leaf blowing. The different modes it has, the main one, which is really quiet. I mean, I have to say that it's quiet, but it's not that powerful, you know, it's just for like simple cleaning. Then they have the second one, which is really powerful. That's gonna be awesome for like heavy stuff or wet stuff. But then it has the turbo mode, which is a touch, you know, it's not just gonna be like a trigger or something like that. It's just touch. So with just the touch of your finger, it will activate the turbo, and it will give you about like 30 minutes run or something like that. Battery pack goes right here. You can just like take it out and charge it, which by the way, it charges via USB-C. So that is kind of like the first time that I've seen a leaf blower charging via USB-C. You're doubting about the power? Don't, because this one, it is a 720 CFM. So it is really powerful, I have to say. You don't trust me? Check this out. I don't have too many leaves, but I do want to show you something. This right here is my microphone. We're gonna try to do this the hard way. So that's gonna be number one. And then the turbo mode. But then this is how powerful this one is with the 3 speeds, the 20 volts and the 720 CFM. Check this out. This is just the first one. Now I'm gonna put the second one and the turbo. Yeah, I have to say that this thing, it is pretty lightweight, super powerful. It has everything you need, fully rechargeable, and even has a perfect look. Also extensible. I like it. I do recommend it.